Funny.
They better get up there and fix that flag.
I'm sure the building demolition people got it insured.
Yeah.
Well, you can feel it.
Wow.
Whoa! Oh my God!
Awesome.
Wow! Wow! And the glass didn't break or anything.
And your sign's still there.
Yes! Amazing. Oh, wait for the
TV
clouds
station's
to go
good.
away so we can see what's left.
You know, it's interesting. We were getting the signal for the TV station. Must have been reflected off the building.
Did you get
It's
all
under
that?
there.
I think so.
That's funny.
I wasn't.
Oh my
Yeah.
The smoke.
They didn't even count down.
Yeah, they went.
They just did it.
Just can't hear it in here.
What time is it?
Delay.
It's 10
I was like, why isn't it falling?
Let's see where it's at. Come on.
It's 10:01. They were.
Well, if it would rain right now, that would be nice, wouldn't it?
From the dynamite.
Get rid of all that
And
smoke.
then
Yeah, they all got their masks on now.
where nothing happened.
Boy, I feel the ground.
Outside windows and the whole
I didn't know
building
how
came
much
down.
that would feel.
Oh my
That was
God.
awesome.
That was awesome. Thank you so much for letting us come.
In your area. I was like,
It's starting to clear. You can see the top of the mop building, nothing else. You can see the top of the mop foundation.
We had to see the tower.
Not on our view.
Not on ours. I'm looking for it.
Where are they recording from, Jerry?
They got 3 different cameras out there.
Looks like they're on the other
They're
side.
on the other side of the building.
First, when you saw the building come down.
When the first explosions went, I thought, oh, they didn't have enough in there.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. I thought, uh-oh, auto world all over again.
Yeah, it's kind of a delayed.
yeah.
Well, I think what they did is they weakened the building first.
And
Then they took it down in
But
sections.
you notice that
then, oh, wait, there's a mop building now. I can see it.
They took that side down first.
I can see the mop building.
Right here. What did you think when you saw
I
that?
thought that was freaking awesome. That was amazing. You'll never see that
Is
again.
that Sigafoos?
Were you one of the ones that did stuff
It sounds like I'm doing it.
First thing I thought was 9/11.
Other stuff wrong with it.
Now, standing right here, I mean, we're quite a distance away, but still pretty close. Did you feel nervous at all when that thing was coming down?
No, I thought that was really, really cool.
All right.
It's clearing on the other side.
How high is the stack? Can you see it?
Yeah, you can see
You
it right
see the
now.
mop building. Mop building's still there.
Yeah.
Let's see how kind of damage, if there's any.
No, you can't see the debris on this either.
Let's get that building into
It's interesting. The
view.
building's not there. We're not getting the reflection
See
that we
a
used to.
pile of rubble now.
Well, it's pretty high. You can see some of it.
Yeah. Yeah, you
Taller
can
than
see.
the Flint Journal.
That goes up several.
I'm sorry, your statues are still there.
Oh, that building on the other side is still there. Cool.
Here's a replay of it.
Huh?
Oops, I thought I had a replay of it.
All that smoke.
Did you see it, Scott?
Whoa, it got all the way in that parking lot. See the debris?
Yeah, it was the parking lot for sure.
What are you looking at?
Jerry, look at
Look at
the parking lot. Look at the debris in the parking lot.
Wow.
Look at look at them.
All those trees there.
Yeah.
There's a pile of rubble.
Yeah.
That is wild.
No words necessary for that. That is very impressive. And you know that argument.
And there's already guys right up at the base.
They said this was a part of history. Others
Oh, yeah.
said it was an eyesore. Now,
The inspector.
Flint Towers is no longer. The Genesee Towers are no longer in downtown Flint.
yeah.
The skyline.
Nice, that's perfect. That's a great picture.
I was just like watching. I was just like,
Yeah, it came too quick. My phone went off. Oh, crap.
I just
Well,
did
you
it while
know-
I was watching.
Hopefully with this video, oh wow, look at that. Hopefully with this video I can get a bunch of pictures from the video.
Yeah, big stills.
Yeah. They don't always come out as good as regular photographs, but
Interesting.
that is wild.
Looks like Mott's alright.
They did it. Well, we should clap for them. Yay!
Well, they're coming here. We can clap for them in a second.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right.
Wow, look how different. Well, the mister survived.
Look at that parking lot there. It was
so
so controlled. There's not much of a mess.
Yes.
Still going close.
I thought for sure this whole
Entire
parking lot would
slices
be
of
covered.
that exterior.
It is covered.
There is, look at all the.
But for 19 floors,
Well, the
it's
19 floors
mostly
are
in
the
one
middle
big
of-
pile.
Yeah, it is in one big
Yeah.
pile.
That is something. You can see that one
They did a
tower.
good job.
That's still, that was called Genesee, or it's called the tower building is the type of construction, right, Jerry? And there's one of the towers still standing there.
Yeah, well, it's a whole steel girder that they just hung stuff on. I mean, that's what the problem with it was.
Yeah,
is that-
four,
I think it was
Yeah.
successful. That
towers
looks
and
like
everything
a
was
bunch of
suspended from
rubble.
those
Everything
towers.
went just
I mean,
like
it's
it
just
was
like the
supposed to
old
go.
Flint, the new
Yeah,
Flint
it didn't
Journal
fall
building.
in
And they're still
Same
making
kind of
snow down there,
facade
guys.
that's hung on the steel
Look at all the
girder.
people up on top of that parking deck.
Yeah,
oh,
they
yeah.
snuck up there.
Which one?
There was people up on the,
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I heard that some people were gonna go up there. Actually, I forgot about that.
In the
You see it
faculty
through,
room?
yeah, you see through the screen.
Big gap that just looks wrong.
It's so weird.
Yeah, it does look weird. It's crazy how little space these big structures take when they're finally gone.
It's significant.
Yep. Well, it went. Everybody's fears are alleviated because it went just like it was supposed to.
Wow.
I'm gonna turn
So
this
we
off now.
think-
Unless you guys want to say anything on the camera. What do you guys want to say?
That was awesome.
Awesome.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it
I
off.
like the
then.
part where it blew up.
Yeah, cool. Anybody else want to say anything? No? Okay, I'm gonna turn it off then.
He's got John Carmen.